In the annals of history, few figures loom as large as Hammurabi, the sixth king of the first Babylonian dynasty. His reign, from 1792 to 1750 BC, saw unprecedented prosperity and expansion for Babylon. But Hammurabi's most enduring legacy lies in his role as a lawgiver. He envisioned a society governed by a unified set of laws, a radical concept in an era of oral traditions. This vision found expression in the Code of Hammurabi, a monumental achievement. It was a systematic attempt to establish a comprehensive legal framework. Inscribed on a towering stele, it stands as a testament to Hammurabi's belief in the rule of law. To truly appreciate the significance of Hammurabi's code, we must journey back in time to ancient Mesopotamia, a land nestled between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. Often hailed as the cradle of civilization, Mesopotamia witnessed the rise of some of the world's earliest cities, complex social structures, and groundbreaking innovations in writing, mathematics, and astronomy. Yet, this burgeoning civilization faced a fundamental challenge: the need for order and stability in a rapidly changing world. Prior to Hammurabi's reign, Mesopotamian societies relied on a patchwork of customary laws, often passed down orally from generation to generation. These customs varied from region to region and were subject to interpretation and manipulation, leading to inconsistencies and potential for injustice. Hammurabi recognized that a unified and codified legal system was essential to maintain order, resolve disputes, and protect the rights of his subjects. His code was a bold response to this need, a testament to the power of human ingenuity to address the challenges of a complex and evolving world. The Code of Hammurabi is remarkable for its physical form and content. Inscribed on a massive black diorite stele, over 8 feet tall, it showcases ancient Mesopotamian artistry. The meticulously carved cuneiform script preserves Hammurabi's laws. A bas-relief at the top shows Hammurabi receiving the law from Shamash, symbolizing divine authority. Now housed in the Louvre, the stele's survival underscores Hammurabi's enduring legacy. Perhaps the most well-known aspect of Hammurabi's code is its emphasis on the principle of lex talionis, often summarized as an eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. This principle, central to many of the code's provisions, reflects a retributive approach to justice, where punishment is meant to be proportional to the crime committed. For example, the code dictates that if a man intentionally injures another man, causing him to lose an eye, the offender shall also lose his eye. While this concept may seem harsh by modern standards, it is important to understand it within the context of its time. In ancient Mesopotamia, where blood feuds and cycles of revenge were common, the principle of lex talionis served as a way to limit violence and prevent excessive retribution. By establishing a system of proportional punishment, Hammurabi aimed to create a more just and predictable legal system, where the severity of the consequence would deter potential offenders. This marked a significant step forward in the development of legal thought, moving away from arbitrary vengeance towards a more measured and equitable approach to justice. Section 5. Beyond retribution, social order and the protection of property. While the principle of lex talionis features prominently in Hammurabi's code, it is by no means the sole focus. The code encompasses a wide range of legal matters, reflecting the complexities of Babylonian society. It addresses issues related to contracts, property rights, family law, inheritance, and even professional negligence, demonstrating a comprehensive approach to regulating social and economic interactions. For example, the code includes provisions regulating the behavior of builders and other professionals, holding them accountable for shoddy work. If a house collapses due to a builder's negligence, resulting in the death of the homeowner, the code dictates that the builder shall be put to death. This highlights the importance placed on accountability and the protection of individuals from harm caused by the actions of others. Hammurabi's code, therefore, went beyond simply punishing wrongdoing. It sought to establish a framework for a well-ordered society where agreements were honored, property was protected, and individuals were held responsible for their actions. This emphasis on social order and individual responsibility resonates even today as fundamental principles underpinning modern legal systems. Section 6. Family matters, marriage, inheritance, and the code's impact on Babylonian life. Hammurabi's code delves extensively into matters of family law, reflecting the central role of family in Babylonian society. Marriage, in particular, was highly regulated, with the code outlining the rights and obligations of both husbands and wives. The code stipulates that a man could have multiple wives under certain circumstances, but it also provides protections for women in marriage, such as the right to divorce under specific conditions. Inheritance laws were also clearly defined, ensuring the orderly transfer of property and wealth within families. The code outlines the rules of inheritance for both sons and daughters, though sons generally received a larger share. Interestingly, the code also recognizes the rights of adopted children, granting them inheritance rights similar to those of biological children. This demonstrates a relatively progressive approach to family structure for its time, acknowledging the importance of social bonds beyond blood ties. The detailed provisions relating to family matters in Hammurabi's code provide valuable insights into the social values and structures of ancient Babylonian society. Section 7. Echoes in time. The code's influence on legal systems throughout history. While Hammurabi's code was created in ancient Mesopotamia, its influence extends far beyond its time and place. The code's principles and provisions have reverberated through history, leaving their mark on subsequent legal systems in the Middle East and beyond. The concept of lex talionis, for example, found its way into other ancient legal codes, including the Hebrew Bible, demonstrating the diffusion of legal ideas across cultures. The influence of Hammurabi's code is also evident in the development of Roman law, a legal system that would profoundly shape Western legal traditions. While Roman law developed its own distinct characteristics, it shared with Hammurabi's code a focus on codified law, the importance of legal procedure, and the recognition of certain fundamental legal principles. This transmission of legal ideas across time and cultures highlights the interconnectedness of human history and the enduring legacy of groundbreaking legal achievements like Hammurabi's code. Section 8. From Babylon to today, the enduring relevance of Hammurabi's code. Though millennia have passed since Hammurabi's reign, his code continues to captivate our imagination and spark debate. Its enduring relevance lies not in its specific provisions, many of which are considered outdated or even barbaric by modern standards, but in the fundamental principles it embodies: the importance of a written legal code, the rule of law, the concept of justice, and the need for a system to regulate human behavior and resolve disputes. The very existence of Hammurabi's code serves as a powerful reminder of the enduring human quest for order and justice. It stands as a testament to the power of law to shape societies, protect the vulnerable, and provide a framework for peaceful coexistence. While our understanding of justice and human rights has evolved significantly since ancient times, Hammurabi's code remains a touchstone in the history of law, offering valuable insights into the development of legal thought and the challenges of governing complex societies. Section 9. The Legacy of Law. Hammurabi's Code as a foundation for justice. The Code of Hammurabi stands as a pivotal achievement in the history of civilization. It marked a transition from customary practices to a formal legal system. Despite its harsh punishments, it established order and limited violence in a turbulent era. Hammurabi's legacy lies in the principles of the rule of law and a written legal code. These principles continue to resonate today, forming the bedrock of legal systems worldwide. Section 10. Conclusion. A testament to the enduring power of law. The Code of Hammurabi, etched in stone and preserved through millennia, stands as a testament to the enduring power of law to shape civilizations and the course of human history. It reminds us that the pursuit of justice and the establishment of a just social order are not merely modern ideals, but fundamental human aspirations that have driven innovation and shaped societies for centuries. As we continue to grapple with the complexities of governance, human rights, and the rule of law in the 21st century, the lessons embedded in Hammurabi's ancient code offer valuable insights and timeless wisdom. The quest for a more just and equitable world, a world where laws are applied fairly and protect the rights of all, is a journey that began millennia ago in the heart of ancient Mesopotamia, a journey that continues to unfold today.